Jake Bautista, and we'd like to welcome you to a brand new MetroGuide Realty house tour. Today we are presenting a modern and quality-built 4-bedroom house and lot for sale located here in BF Homes, Las Pinas City, just bordering Alabang. So this property is just 10 minutes away from Madrigal Business Park. So it's also in a peaceful and well-planned community. Now join us as we begin this tour. Let's begin with the parking area. It's almost completely covered with a high ceiling with a wooden design. You have access here towards the service area, which we will explore later. Upon entering the home through the pedestrian gate, you also have a landscaped area. Let's walk over here. So you see the clearance from the perimeter wall to the house. Lots of space, lots of potential also for additional landscaping. And in terms of the size of this property, it has a lot area of 204 square meters and a total floor area of approximately 250 square meters across 2 levels. Now come on. I also want to point out this is a nice touch in terms of creating contrast between the walls. This is a nice finish also, kind of like a stucco finish versus the light gray off-white wall here. Now welcome to your beautiful home. So this property has an open layout. Right upon entry, you see the clear distinction between the different areas in the property. You have your living space right here. And I love the high ceilings with the cove lighting. This property already has split type air conditioning units included. So you see they're positioned right here. And they're going to be installed. But this also gives you an idea on the size of the area. So you can easily have a nice living room set right here. And the open layout leads to your dining space with the cove lighting right here. I love that ceiling height. And you can easily have a table here for about 6 people. And from here, you also have your open kitchen space. I like the modern quartz countertop right here with a stainless steel sink, lots of storage from your modular cabinetry. In terms of the cooktop and range hood, it's also already built in. This is La Germania also, and you also have here a La Germania oven as well. And lots of storage. I like the contrast also of the gray cabinetry with the dark wooden design right here. And of course, you have a lot of space on this side for your refrigerator. And if you stand right here, let me just show you. This is such a nice and open vantage point. You can imagine having your table right here, your family having a nice meal, and then some guests on this side so that you can appreciate the size of the space. Now, another thing that stands out about this property is the quality of the windows and sliding doors. This is very sturdy aluminum windows. You can really feel the weight of it. And the mechanism is very smooth as well. And this leads out to your tiled patio space. So this is a sizable area. You could consider this an extension of your living space in terms of an al fresco area. You can have 2 tables here, and you can walk all around the house towards the front from here. So if you have, for example, pets like dogs who like to run around, this is a nice space. You also have these maki plants here. And from this angle, you can see once again the size of the space. And you have access here towards a utility area, but let's go through there, through the kitchen space. Now, in terms of the size of the lot at 204, I love how the space was maximized to still have a proper auxiliary space. So much additional storage here, another sink area, circuit breakers are right here. You also have a staff room with a bathroom. So we won't go in because there's still a lot of construction materials since the property just finished. But it already has its own bathroom and there's room enough for a single bed. And you also have this door as a service entrance for your staff. And if you're bringing in food and groceries, deliveries, they can go through this side, not necessarily through the front door for additional convenience. Okay? And another nice touch is it's a screen door also. So you have all that ventilation through this auxiliary space. And what's nice is since it's completely covered, you can potentially have another refrigerator here, for example. And this area can potentially be a laundry space as well. And right here is where the pressure tank and water pump are stored. So let's take a quick look. So very well organized, covered. And then you have an additional gate here leading towards your patio space, which we already explored earlier. I like how well organized the house is. Now we're back. And let's explore the first room in the house. Right upon entry, you immediately have a den room. So you have a lot of natural light. This is west facing. And this is a nice additional room, which actually, if you use this as a bedroom, this would make the property a 5-bedroom home. Since this already has a bathroom, which serves as your powder room as well. So you can make this a home office, playroom, guest room, because it's large enough to have like a single bed. But this would also be excellent as a movie room. So you have a modern bathroom here with a shower area. And even the space underneath the stairs was maximized by having a storage space right there. And I love the ceiling height of this property, and that can clearly be seen even with the height of the doors. You also have a well-designed staircase with natural wood for the railings and tempered glass, and very sturdily installed. Okay, let's head on up. The second level of this home has been maximized with 4 rooms and 3 bathrooms. So you have a tiled flooring here with a wooden design, easy to maintain, and even the hallway space was maximized to have a linen closet area. So this is where you can put blankets, or you can even make this a dry pantry. So you can have some food over here and snacks so that you don't need to go up and down the stairs. Okay. We're going to explore the 3 bedrooms and then cap off the tour with the master bedroom. Okay. So this would be the first bedroom. And in terms of the design, I love this corner window. It's so bright and it gives a feeling of more space for the room. In terms of the actual size, you can have a single bed, a double bunk bed, or even a semi-double bed. And there's already built-in cabinetry. And I want to point out, you have a shadow line also, which adds depth to the ceiling design as well. In addition, check out the ceiling height once again for the second level. And here you have your bathroom, which is a shared bathroom between the first and second bedrooms. Elegant tiling, large mirror, tempered glass shower enclosure, natural ventilation, and you also have an additional exhaust fan built into the ceiling. And then this is the second room. Large enough for a single bed. And if you don't need all 4 rooms in the second floor, another purpose for this room could be, this can be a walk-in closet space for the other room. Just an idea that you could explore. Okay? Or even a home office space. And right here you have your third bedroom. And the purpose why the windows are so large in the first and third bedrooms are because this is the morning side of the property. Meaning you have sunrise coming up from here and you get to enjoy all of that, and that's maximized through the size of the windows. You also have built-in cabinetry. And space enough for a single bed here. And you already have your air conditioning unit to be installed right here. Now this room has an ensuite bathroom. Once again, very similar to the last bathroom. So far, my impression for the property is it's very clean. When I say clean, I mean very pulido, well thought out in terms of the spaces. Very maximized in terms of a 204 square meter lot. And what really stands out for me are the ceiling heights. So right here, we have your fourth bedroom, which is your primary or master bedroom. Welcome. This is the largest room with cove lighting and a large corner window also facing the front of the house. What's nice also here is that the orientation and design of the room is such that you can easily fit even a king-sized bed. And you can have your television on this side or here or even here, because it's almost a square-shaped room. And you have a walk-in closet space, nice modular cabinetry also, and here you have your modern bathroom with a large sink and lots of natural light and a tempered glass shower enclosure. So I'll walk in so that you can see the size. And I like that the ceiling height is also maintained here in the bathroom. Now, I always like to say that a property is also increased in value by the community. In terms of the village, this is a very private, quiet village, very walkable, very child-friendly, pet-friendly, very strict security as well, and fantastic access towards both the main thoroughfares of BF Homes, towards Sukat Road, SM City BF, the airport, and at the same time, on the other side, it has fast access also towards Alabang Zapote Road, Madrigal Business Park, Alabang Town Center, and the main commercial areas in Alabang. And that wraps up our quick house tour. If you want to know more about this property or visit it in person, just click the description below where you can get in touch with us through our email and number shown there. You can also send us a message and follow us through Instagram, Facebook, and now also on TikTok. And if you have a property you'd like to feature through our channel, you can send us an email at metroguiderealty@gmail.com. My name is Jake Bautista. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to bring you clarity, quality, and convenience in finding a great Metro Manila home for you and your family.
Contact us today in the email and number shown here to schedule a property viewing. You can also click the description below for the property details. Don't forget to click that subscribe button so that you can get notified of our future videos. Thanks for watching, and we look forward to bringing you and your family a great Metro Manila home.